Hello, kids. This is your daily dose of Dorfler. I'm gonna mess that up. I probably have already messed up that saying. I don't know because I get tongue tied quickly. Anyway, this is day 2 of the lab that we were doing for mole ratios. Where yesterday you saw us put the copper wire in and then measure out. excuse me. You know, how much we started with in terms of copper, how much we ended up with copper, took the difference of that, jotted down our data table. Well, today our really main goal was to measure out how much silver we actually got after letting it sit nearly 24 hours, as you can see by the time stamp on the bottom right. I had a little help with the evaporation process, so putting it in the fume hood, there's some constant flow of air, and so that helps to dry things out a little quicker. So anyway, here, if I can get it there, is our product. We made silver. Okay, it's hard looking at the camera and looking at the image here, but we made silver. Okay, real silver. So now what we have to do is we have to measure the mass of the silver that is in the beaker, the 100 ml beaker that we measured yesterday. Okay. Now, I'm not going to show you any of my data recordings that you were to have written down from yesterday. It is up to you to go and watch the video and get that information for yourself. So I'm going to weigh the product in here. Okay, so right here where it says mass of beaker plus silver product in your data table. Okay, you didn't think I was going to give the data here, did you? You need to put down 57.82 grams. Again, the mass of beaker plus silver product is 57.82 grams. All right. So that's the last bit of data here, but I do want to kind of give you a hint on something here. Okay, so number 1 and number 2, you're going to have to figure out. Now remember, that when you calculate the mass and moles of silver metal produced in the reactor, you're not using this mass. You have to figure out the difference between the mass you just now recorded and the empty 100 ml beaker. That's what you use for number 2. For number 1, we've already calculated the difference between the copper before and after. So again, if you don't know that, you got to watch yesterday's video. And then for number 3, it says determine the mole ratio. You need to look at however many moles you calculate in parts 1 and 2 and basically just divide them, okay? Take the largest number of moles, divide it by the smallest number of moles, and round to the nearest whole number. Ta-da! Everything else should be pretty self-explanatory. And yes, number 7, number 8, I want you to do because I'm curious to see how much we made. Again, your post labs are due the 24th. Double check when they're due. I'm pretty sure I have the 24th. I've got like 4 different due dates for all my classes right now, right around that time. So double check the due date on that. Make sure that you answer all these post lab questions on a separate piece of paper and upload it into the assignment. If you have any troubles with it, with uploading, let me know. But that's it for today, folks. I will see you later. Bye-bye now.